In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. Start by opening your desktop browser and heading straight to chatgpt.com. This is the official landing page where everything begins. Click Log In, then choose the sign-in option you prefer, such as a single sign-on provider. Once you're authenticated, your account settings like custom instructions, connectors, and memory will sync automatically so your workspace feels familiar. As a quick tip, always confirm you're on the correct site and avoid signing in on shared devices unless you're comfortable with that environment. After you're in, look at the model selector at the top of the chat window. By default, ChatGPT routes your request to a suitable model automatically, which is perfect for most situations. If you want manual control, you can switch modes. Instant mode is your everyday workhorse, great for quick answers, document drafts, translations, and anything where speed matters. Thinking mode is built for complex, multi-step reasoning, heavy coding, math, or scientific analysis. When enabled, you may see an optional expandable analysis section that helps validate the final answer. Pro mode is designed for high-volume, enterprise-grade workflows with priority compute across large documents and vision tasks. Keep in mind, availability can depend on your plan. To get the best output, be precise with your input. In one clear message, describe the role you want the model to take, provide the background context it needs, specify the output format, and set any strict requirements. If you have supporting materials, don't rely on descriptions alone. Click the plus icon or drag and drop your files, datasets, code snippets, or design images right into the message field. Treat each chat like a living workspace. Ask targeted follow-ups to refine a section, expand an idea, or change the tone without starting a new conversation. On desktop, formatting is optimized to make results easy to scan. Long answers are automatically organized with headings, emphasis, and tables where it makes sense. Code appears in a dedicated block with a copy button, so you can move it straight into your editor. If you realize you want to adjust your prompt mid-generation, you can edit in line, and the system will adapt without forcing a full restart. Finally, manage your workspace to stay focused. If you're switching to a new task or want to avoid mixing contexts, start a fresh session using the new chat option in the top left. And if you need more room to review long content, collapse the sidebar with the toggle icon to keep your interface clean and distraction-free. That's it. By signing in securely, choosing the right mode, writing precise prompts, and using the desktop tools, you'll turn ChatGPT into a fast, organized, professional workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.